guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our baby shower haul. Now, I wasn't gonna do this because A, I thought nobody cared, and B, it sounded really overwhelming. Also, I forgot to mention, my dress blends in with the chair, but I don't care because it's my new Target dress and I really wanted to wear it. But anyway, I got tons of messages asking if I was gonna be doing a baby shower haul, and I figured we could just do kind of a laid back situation. Bradley is here with me. Say hello.
Hello.
He's out in the hall right now. He's just gonna hand me stuff because also like I cannot move. I mean, I can't bend down. It hurts really bad. So like, I don't know, and I get really winded easily. So I'm just gonna sit here and Bradley's going to hand me the things that I asked him to, and we're just gonna this is basically just to show you what we registered for. And honestly, I got a lot of, like what I registered for mostly came from you guys. I put a lot of like question boxes up on Instagram asking your most used, what you would recommend most baby products, and a lot of the same things were said over and over, and so I did some research on them and then I added them to my registry, and this is some things we got. So I'm gonna do my best to not make this like all over the place, but I'm not making any promises. It's just a chill situation. You wanna pop in and say hey or no?
No.
Okay. I will say we got tons and tons of baby clothes, and I'm not gonna share those just because it would be like a 40-year long video. I do have a couple of pieces that I'll share with you that ended up being my favorite just based on the way they feel. So yeah, clothes are not going to be included in this. Just know we got tons and tons of baby clothes in all different age or sizes, so we should be good for a while. So this is kind of gonna be like the bigger stuff we registered for, maybe a few toys, some of the tech stuff, you know, just all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start with the tech stuff, like I just said. So first off, the baby monitor, we went, oh, hi, mommy's very busy. You don't care? Okay. First thing was the Owlet Camera, which this is a very high-tech baby monitor. This thing is freaking cool, and this and then the next thing I'll show you were the two most like recommended things to me. But it's just like a smart baby monitor, so you hang it up on the wall. It can pivot. I think you can like talk to your child through it. They also have like a little sock, which we did not get. Would you recommend the sock? It kind of seems like overkill, but let me know if you think we should get it. They have a smart sock in which it will like tell you your baby's heart rate if it's not breathing, or you know, it's all this stuff. But even without the sock, the camera had high or good reviews. So this is the camera we registered for, and somebody very kindly gifted it to us. Then the other thing that was most recommended, I feel like this lighting is just so bright, whatever, was the Hatch Rest sound machine. I think this was #1 said out of everything. So it's just basically a sound machine. It's a night light. I haven't opened it yet. I'm actually probably gonna open it today. Probably gonna put it right here on this thing. So many of you recommended this.
Can we make it sing, rise, and shine?
Time to rise. Use the green light to teach toddlers and preschoolers to stay in bed until it's time to rise. Oh. That's awesome. Okay, that's the end of tech. Let's talk about all of the...
and we got our baby a new iPhone.
No, we did not. You're stupid. So between my registry and just people, or a hand-me-down from Bradley's cousin, we have all of the pillows and the like soft things. So we have the Boppy, which I love this print. Isn't this so cute? So this is, I think, a nursing pillow. You could like put it around yourself and rest him on it, but he can also sit in it or lay in it. I don't know. We also got the Snuggle Me Organic, which off the bat, this one I think is my favorite. It just feels the softest, and I'm also partial to this mauve color, but that doesn't matter. But just as far as feel, I think this is going to be my favorite. Okay, I adjusted the lighting because it was looking blown out. Bradley's cousin texted us and was like, hey, do you guys want our DockATot? And we were like, yeah, these things are like $200. We'll see, but I think I'm gonna like the Snuggle Me Organic more. But also these are like to put on the floor or the bed or the couch, and it just has a bumper so your baby can't fall out of it.
Where's the baby? On the floor in his little raft?
I adjusted the lighting again. I don't know. My friend Tiff said she got us a bunch of practical things that she enjoyed, and this was one of them. It's another, just one of those pillows. I don't know. Oh, it's called the Happy Bub. Happy Bub Premium. Oh, it says wash. We need to wash it. But it's along the same lines, so I know we don't need all of them, but I guess we'll see which ones we like. And then, as all of you probably know by now, my brother is also having a baby, so there'll be stuff probably passed back and forth between the two of us. But yeah, we are set with the baby pillows and whatnot. We got a ton of books, and I'll insert some footage of just some of the random books we got, in which literally today, to my right, we set up a changing table / bookshelf situation So I'm going to set up the books. Some of our friends gave us these magical Harry Potter books, created by Dan Kanan and written by Carol Kaufman. But they're literal... Can you see that? I don't even know if you can see it. Like, this is witchcraft.
That is crazy.
It is wild.
Does it...
It's like a small video screen almost.
It's like the, you know, if you move left and right, like it changes images.
Like the Haunted Mansion. So we got the Safari one and then the
Polar
one. And these are cute too because when they stand up
Oh, I
on
didn't know
the
that.
side, yeah, isn't that cute? And then
Where's
we got
the-
the Polar one. I just thought these were magical, so I don't know. Not great for right away, but like when he's a toddler, oh my god, he's gonna just die. I'm gonna die. Look at the Northern Lights.
That's cool.
So yeah, like I said, I'll insert footage of other books, but just wanted to feature those as they are out of literal Harry Potter. So we got some toys, some teething toys. Of course, we have Sophie, which I think I've always thought Sophie is so cute, and I've been so excited to have a baby of my own so that they can have a Sophie. You've seen these before?
No.
It's like the most popular teething toy in the
Oh,
world.
I was like, why are you naming this?
No, her name is Sophie.
Okay.
Ludo's gonna be so confused when he can't play with these toys. It's not for you, it's for your brother, okay? But a kiss? Okay? These, which are probably Bradley's favorite.
That's so cool.
Could you get down? You're in my shot. These Nintendo controller and Game Boy teething toys. They're not for you. They're not. I know. Okay. These were just from Bye Bye Baby. We put them on our registry. We knew one of our friends would absolutely
Definitely
buy us this.
minority friends.
Bradley's friends got it for us. But they're so cute and so cool. And I posted them on Instagram, and a lot of you were like, I need links, and I wasn't sure where they're from. But whatever I can link, I will link down below. But these were just from Bye Bye Baby. This is probably my favorite toy we got. It's just a stuffed bell pepper. It's from Jellycat, which Jellycat makes like really soft. I think Jellycat is who makes the Wubba Nub. I think I may have made that up. I don't know. I just know Jellycat is like a esteemed stuffed animal situation, and I just love this bell pepper that has a little smiley face. This I actually purchased, not a gift, but I liked the way it looked from Target, so I bought it, and then I got it home and I took the packaging off. But this is called Ludo the Lion, and I had no idea. His name is Ludi. You love him? So I picked that up, and this seems good for earlier on when he can like barely hold things. Then I got tons of the, very specifically, Aiden and Anai, I think that's how you say it, swaddles or blankets, and I registered, well, I saw them in store at like Target, and I loved them, also because they have a lot of Disney prints, and I love Disney. But what I liked about these is they could be swaddles, they could be blankets, or they could be burp cloths. They can kind of be like whatever you want, and then they come in a bunch of fun different prints. So we have lemons, we have all these different fruits and vegetables, I have avocados. This literal bin is full of, well, most are Aiden and I, but they have poo. I have one that is peaches, Dumbo, just fun different patterns, Mickey, just I have so many of them. And after washing them and feeling them, they're definitely my favorite swaddles that we've gotten so far. I still need to learn how to swaddle a baby, so should get on that. Yeah, I thought it would just be easy access to roll them up and put them in a little basket. And if you want like a closer look at some of the ones we got, I will link them down below. They usually come in a pack of 2, sometimes a pack of 4, but as far as the feel, after washing them, these are my favorite so far. But I also got, this is one of my favorite gifts we got. This was not on my registry. My friend Jillian gave me a beautiful gift full of things I love that was not on my registry, which I was so happy about. This is from the brand Milk Barn, and it's just this fox, same situation, swaddle, could be a blanket, could be a burp cloth, but I just love the foxes. I thought that this was so cute. And along the same lines, I said I'd share a couple of clothing pieces. One of the ones is from Milk Barn as well. It's that same fox print, and it's just a short sleeve little footy jumper. Or no, not footed. It cuts off at the feet. But it's so soft, and I was just like, wow. And I looked up this brand, and there's so much more I want from them. And then the other piece of clothing I wanted to share, this is literally so soft. It's by Spearmint Love. This is a 3 to 6 month. But look at these little oranges. It's just so cute. But this one is just a zipper. That one was a snap. People are die-hard either snaps or zippers, or they're die-hard either way. But
there's magnets.
We did get a magnetic one, and that one is really cool. We're probably gonna order some more. People like my suggestion box was like die-hard either way, so we're just trying out a little bit of everything. We'll see what we like. But this is just so soft and so cute and unisex, really. Everybody loves fruit. Lots of suggestions for obviously a diaper pail of some sort. We did not go with the diaper genie because The dog is feisty. We went with the Ubi Pail, I think that's how you say it. Number one, I liked the look of it better. We got it in like a sage green kind of color. And this one you can use what I read, not Target. Oh my God. You can use Costco trash bags, which is what we buy anyway. And with the Diaper Genie, you have to use their specific refillable bags. And I didn't want to have to buy that. So we got the Ubi Pail instead, which like I said, I enjoyed the way it looked better anyway. But it's just, I'm not really positive how it works, to be honest. You just put your dirty diapers in there. So we got two things for wipes. So this is the wipe warmer, which to me, to be honest, sounded like it was not necessary, but so many of you were like, get a wipe warmer. It's a small little extra thing, but it makes such a difference as far as like if your baby is somewhat sleepy in the middle of the night, instead of like fully waking them up with a cold wipe, it's a little bit more soothing.
So that one could be like the upstairs one, and this could be the downstairs one.
Also, what's nice about this is it has a light. For the first few months, he'll be in our room, obviously. So if one of us is sleeping and the other one gets up, you don't have to turn on all the lights. This has like a bright light to help you see what you're doing. So I'm excited about that. A lot of you just said wipe warmer, but my friend Mariah just had a baby and she recommended this exact one, so I registered for this one. And then will you hand me the other thing you just had? And then we also just have this wipe dispenser, which was also highly recommended. This is from Oxotot, which I love Oxo, that brand. We have a bunch of stuff from them. Not all baby stuff, obviously. But it's just, it makes it easier with one hand to pull out a wipe instead of, you know how you're like, with makeup wipes, you know how they all stick together and all that. It just makes it easier. So I don't know, I love that we have two. Probably put one downstairs because I'm sure we'll be changing diapers all over the house, but yeah, so this came highly recommended as well. I'll insert pictures because they're kind of big and we haven't set them up yet, but I'm looking at them. I registered for the Love Every playmat, which I'm so excited about. I'm so happy that somebody actually got it for us. Love Every is, I think it's a subscription service where they deliver like toys and stuff for your kid each month or each year. Probably not each year, each month, but they have a play mat made for babies and it's so cute and so colorful, and I've seen a few moms that I follow have it. So I threw it on the registry just for fun and somebody actually got it for us, so I'm so excited. Luno is scratching. We also got a travel bassinet, also recommended to us from my friend Mariah. We have an out-of-town wedding 7 weeks after I'm supposed to give birth. He'll be coming with us to that, and so we'll need a hotel and you know all that stuff. So we got a travel bassinet. Also though, great to throw in your car for if you're going to like your in-laws. My parents, his parents, just an easy thing for them to nap in. So my friend Mariah was like, we use this all the time, and it folds up really, really like slenderly. So that's great too. We are set for bath time. I will insert footage of a lot of the products that were given to me. I registered for kind of a little bit of everything. My friend Tiff, who I said gave me the practical gift of things she loves, gave me some stuff that I'd never heard of, but it's all fragrance free and like things that I would have wanted. Burt's Bees, what's the other brand? Something about baby. I don't know. I'll insert a lot of footage of a lot of the random stuff we got, and my plan is just to try out a bunch of stuff and see what we like. I have already stocked up on the Young Living Seedlings line of their bubble bath and shower gel and the wipes and all that stuff. So I need to get the bathroom organized. I haven't done that yet, but we are stocked for bath time. So for bath time in his bathtub, we got the Angel Care, which everybody talks about this. My friend Mariah recommended this, and then she actually was the one that gifted us like all the fun bath time stuff. But this is the Angel Care, just like bath support. We also did end up getting a kind of like a cushion thing for if we want to give him baths in the sink when he's really, really tiny. Well, if he's really, really tiny, he's probably gonna be like 25 pounds when he is born. But it's just kind of, I don't know, it's a thing that sits in the bathtub so it like supports them and has them sit up. I could also see myself though sometimes just throwing them in the bathtub with me, if that's allowed. I need to look into the safety of that, but that could totally be a thing too. But this was highly recommended by you guys and just the internet in general. And then also something super cute is this little whale cup that you can use to like pour behind their head so you don't get it in their eyes. And I just thought it was super cute. But yeah, we're set for bath time. I have tons of bath toys, which you probably can't use for a while anyway, but we have the hooded
Day one, I'm ready. Here we
have the hooded baby towels. What ended up being my favorite were the Burt's Bees ones. The Honest Company ones had really cute prints with skulls that I was like really dying to have. They just didn't feel very good, so we went with Burt's Bees. We also got some Burt's Bees washcloths. Like bath time is the one thing that I feel really prepared for. I'm like, yes, we could do that, no problem. We got a ton of baby wipes. We got one thing of diapers. because I got like comments on my something that said, I hope you guys got a lot of diapers. Like, we did not. So we've ordered some. We actually placed like a huge Target haul, kind of fulfilling everything else we could possibly need, just so we feel prepared, and as things start to come in, we'll start to organize and put things together and, you know, all that stuff. So let me know if you guys want a haul of like the last minute things we ordered from Target so that I felt prepared for baby, because I can do that too. We got tons of crib sheets. Burt's Bees ended up being my favorite again. They just felt the best. Also, changing table pads, also from Burt's Bees. Those were like my favorite. Grandma bought us the Mamaroo swing, which is like the most high-tech of swings. So we got that, but we also got a hand-me-down. Do you know what swing Aunt Debbie gave us? It's a Graco, right?
Yeah.
We also got a hand-me-down swing, because the thing I've heard about swings is like every baby is unpredictable. You just literally don't know. If you hear squeaking, it's the dog. We're trying to keep him occupied while we film this, but he's feisty. This has turned into a shit show of a video. But I guess that's our lives now.
Yes.
So we have the Mamaroo, and then we have that Graco swing. So we'll see what he likes best. Maybe he'll hate both. Maybe he won't like a swing at all. I don't know. I also got some Solly baby wraps. Will you hand me the baby wraps, please? Solly, I don't know how you say it, but these came highly recommended. So I registered for 2. These, I think they were recommended because they feel, well, they're very soft, but they're like lightweight on you. So I just went for black and white stripe and then olive green. But in that Target order, Bradley wanted like a sturdier baby carrier, so we have one from Baby Bjorn. What is it from? Do you remember?
What baby carrier?
The baby carrier in our Target order.
Was it not Graco?
Oh, maybe it's Graco. I don't know. But we'll show you that in that haul if you want to see that. But
I
yeah.
need some to strap him to my chest and light it up at the Vegas casino, or
That's not happening.
light it up at the zoo.
So yeah, got 2 Solly baby wraps, which they feel so good, so I'm so excited. I have no idea how to tie them, but I'll figure it out. Lots of pacifiers, which I don't know, I was told the advice of you don't know which ones your baby will like, so just get a bunch of different random ones, so that's what we did. So obviously when I have the child and I know what he likes, I'll let you know. But yeah, guys, that is it. I will link down below things that I mentioned, or just, you know, things you saw in this video. But this was kind of a look into what our friends and family gifted us, which thank you guys so much if any of you are watching for gifting us things, showering us with presents.
That's why they call it a shower.
Gifts. Thank you. But yeah, it was also just to show you, I got so many requests to share the registry, but I didn't want anybody to feel pressure to like buy us anything, so I didn't want to do that. But here's a look inside what we did register for, and of course, once the baby's here and we're using things, I will let you know what we're loving, what we're not, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see our latest installment of the Nest With Me videos, I will link them up in the corner. I like looked at the corners if it was going to be there. Well, it will be.
I mean, yeah, it will be.
But we'll have more of those because we have more to do. And then once it's done, if I can finish it before he gets here, I will do a nursery tour. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.